Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm an award-winning business coach, and I'm really excited to share with you my upcoming workshop, which is Copywriting Unlocked, Crafting Words That Win Business. The whole point of this workshop is that we all know that we should be putting out content that is going to attract and engage our audience. But quite often our perceived lack of writing skills or our confidence, just coming up with ideas and then translating those features into benefits, i.e. what the customer gets after they've worked with us, is really, really tricky. And so this workshop is designed to help you use AI tools to come up with copy that is going to work for you. It's about how to master persuasive techniques, how to come up with unique content, how to come up with ideas that, are just a little bit different, and then build that out into maybe a series of posts that are going to engage people, or some blog posts, or some ad copy, a whole range of different things. And it's about making sure that this copy is in your tone of voice, adhering to your brand values, not just some generic AI churned out gumph that nobody's going to find interesting and they're certainly not going to read. So I would really love it if you'd come and join me in this workshop. I think you'll get a lot out of it. I'm really excited to be delivering it. And after the workshop, you'll also end up with an ebook all about copywriting, which you will find hopefully really useful. I've enjoyed writing it, so I hope you'll enjoy it. And you'll also come out with some templates and a copywriting toolkit that you can then use in your business, even that very afternoon, to start putting out content on a regular basis that your prospects and customers are going to enjoy reading, are going to engage with, and ultimately that's going to help you to get more business. So I really look forward to seeing you at the workshop. I hope you can join me. Please get on, please book it, and I will see you there.